A recent UK government survey suggested that approximately 81% of large businesses and 60% of small and medium-sized businesses have suffered some form of data breach in the last year. Why would a cyber breach be important? Well, there are two principal reasons. One is the financial cost to the business, and the second is the regulatory impact. The financial cost can be incredible. The average cost, according to a Ponemon survey last year, for each data breach was £100. That might not sound like much, but if you're talking about 100,000 data records having gone missing, for example, £100 per breach suddenly becomes a very large sum indeed. And the second cost, potentially, is regulatory cost. What is cyber risk? It's a term that's used a great deal, but there's no agreed definition. It's generally understood, though, to comprise a number of different topics. Firstly, it can mean the physical loss of data. It can also mean what perhaps most people assume it means, a malicious hacker. It can also mean the theft of intellectual property, which if you're a high-tech firm, an engineering firm, is often the real value in the business. Well, there are two particular threads that a business should think about in planning. Well, in particular, SMEs should have a look at the UK Government's Cyber Essentials website, which gives a lot of good advice. You need to have a plan in place and ensure that someone with real executive power is there and ready to act should you have a data breach. It's a very good idea to look at getting cyber risk insurance in place. It's a relatively new category. A recent UK government survey suggested that around 52% of managing directors, chief execs, thought they had cyber risks insurance, whereas in fact the figure is nearer 10%. So it's important to discuss with an insurance broker exactly what your needs are and exactly what's on the market. Why Brodies? Well, we understand what our clients are going through. We ourselves are one of the first law firms in the UK to achieve ISO 27001 certification. So we have in place the kind of things that our clients need: employment policies, supplier contracts, the practice and procedure that you need to get involved. We can be your point man. We know where the technical experts are that can analyse your systems and make sure that you are as secure as you can be against the threats the modern world can throw at you.